Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we are going to solve one of the most important and tricky questions from TOC Module 2. This question is repeated many times in VTU exams and most students lost marks because they don't know how to apply the pumping lemma properly. Don't worry, after watching this video, you will be able to write the answer confidently and score full marks. So the question is, show that language is equals to w to the power r, which means that w to the power r is a reverse of w, where the alphabets are a comma b is not regular. So now we will move to solve this question easily. So our first step will be, step 1 is assume the language which is given in the question is regular. So to prove that a language is not regular, we use proof of contradiction. So we write, if L is regular, then pumping lemma for regular language must hold the properties of pumping lemma. So now our step 2, we will move to step 2, state the pumping lemma. In this we will state the pumping lemma here. According to the pumping lemma, if L is a regular language, L is a regular language, then there exists a pumping length n. Pumping length n such that any string, suppose x is a string which belongs to the language L with length of x should be greater than or equal to n, can be written as x is equals to u v w, satisfying three properties. First one is length of uv should be smaller than or equal to n. Second property is length of v should be greater than or equal to 1. And the third property is u v to the power I into w belongs to L for all the values of I which is greater than or equal to 0. These three properties should be followed by a language to be a regular. Now we will move to step 3. We will choose here a suitable string from the language given here. So the language is w to the power r, means we take a string of a's and b's and we will reverse that. Let's see here. Let w is equals to a to the power n b, then w to the power r which is equals to b a to the power n. So x is equals to w to the power r is equals to a to the power n b and b a to the power n. Clearly x belongs to L and the length of the x is greater than or equal to n. Now we will move to step 4. Now our step 4 is, in this step we will split the string. So step 4 is split the string. From pumping lemma, length of u v is smaller than or equal to n. This means that u and v lie only in the first a to the power n part. So u is equals to a to the power k and v is equals to a to the power m, where m is greater than or equal to 1. Now in step 5 we pump the string, which means that we put the value of I is equals to 0. So now pump this string by taking I is equals to 0 in u v to the power I w. So after that u v to the power 0, it becomes 0 because we put I is equals to 0 and w is equals to, here it becomes u and w. This removes v, so the number of a's on the left side decreases. Therefore the number of a's on the left side decreases. New string becomes, after putting I is equals to 0, the new string will becomes the a to the power n minus m b and b a to the power n. Now in step 6, we check the membership in L, which means that we cross verify the pumping lemma. So for the string to be in L, which language is w to the power r, so the left half must be the reverse of the right half. But here left side is equals to a to the power n minus m and b, and the right side is equals to b a to the power n. These two are not reverses of each other, so we can say that u v to the power 0 w does not belongs to the language given here, so it contradicts. Now our step 7 is that the contradiction. We will write the this violates condition 3. Condition 3 of the pumping lemma, which says u v to the power I w must belong. It must belong to the language for all the values of I is greater than or equal to 0, which must belong to L language for all the values of, for all I which is greater than or equal to 0. Hence we get a contradiction here, because after putting the value of I is equals to 0, u v to the power 0 w does not belongs to the language. This contradicts the third condition of the pumping lemma. Therefore the given language is not a regular. So we will write, hence L is equals to w to the power r, where w belongs to a comma b is not regular. Hence proved. If this explanation helped you, like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Express VTU for all for more exam oriented TOC content. In our next video, we will solve another important question. Until then, keep practicing and keep scoring. Thank you.